In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change color of PNG or JPEG icons in Figma. First, open your design file so you have a clear spot to work. We'll start with PNG icons, then do the same for JPEGs. The overall idea is simple. We'll place the icon on the canvas, lay a colored shape over it, and use a mask so that color shows only where the icon is visible. It's quick, clean, and completely non-destructive, so you can change the color anytime. For PNG icons, drag your PNG onto the Figma canvas. With the icon in place, draw a rectangle directly on top of it and make sure it fully covers the icon area. Now set the rectangle's fill to the color you want. You can use the color picker, a hex value, or brand swatches, whatever fits your project. Next, select both the icon and the colored rectangle, right-click, and choose Use as Mask. In Figma, the topmost selected layer becomes the mask shape. So if the result doesn't look right, make sure the icon layer sits above the rectangle before masking. When it works, you'll see your icon perfectly filled with your chosen color. Later, if you want to tweak the look, just select the rectangle layer inside that masked group and change its fill color. You can also adjust the opacity of that fill for softer tints while keeping edges crisp. For JPEG icons, the process is nearly identical, with one extra step to remove the background. Drag your JPEG onto the canvas. Open your plugins, search for Remove BG, and run it. Once the background is removed and you are left with just the icon, draw a rectangle on top so it fully covers the icon. Set the rectangle's fill to your desired color, then select the icon and the rectangle. Right-click and choose Use as Mask. As with PNGs, make sure the icon sits above the rectangle before masking, so the color shows only within the icon shape. To adjust the color later, select the rectangle layer inside the masked group and update its fill. Background removal tends to work best on high contrast images. If the result looks rough, starting with a cleaner source image usually helps. That's it. Thanks for watching.